Part 2 of the Standing Rock tour involves the house. It is a mission-style house, and we're going to paint it a pale pink, kind of like the Sonoma Mission Inn or the La Valencia in La Jolla, California, if you're familiar. It's got the tennis court and a swimming pool, perfect for retreats, and this beautiful wrought iron work all throughout the house. And you see it's growing grapes along the tennis court, and they're so sweet and delicious already. And you see the roses on the wrought iron, and we're going to have these awnings made. Now we'll take a look on the inside. This is what we want to do with the fireplace. And for the kitchen, it has this really beautiful brick piece, and it opens out on one side to the pool and on the other side to the veranda. This is the master bedroom, and you see it has incredible views of the whole lower part of the ranch. And this is the big kitchen, and here's our design for that. And the veranda is amazing. It overlooks everything, as you can see, which will be indoor-outdoor space, and it also has cool wrought iron with grapes, three-dimensional. And this is the outline of the property. There's the lower portion, and the upper portion is just a bunch of meadows and oak trees and beautiful places for the horses to graze and be horses and run free, that I'm so excited about. And Bandit is excited too, as you see. And we also have a little part of Wolf Creek on the property, and Wolf Creek was ground zero for the gold rush back in 1863. Thank you so much for joining us on Part 2 tour of Standing Rock Ranch. Please keep your eyes open. I'm going to be posting updates as we continue the renovations of Standing Rock Ranch, the new home of Starr Horse Retreats.